Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday and we are here at Aldi. We're going to look at their new finds for today. Here at the top is the portable cool mist ultrasonic humidifier for $14.99. Right here is the memory foam knee cushion or any position pillow on sale for $2.99. Wow, I have to get some of those. Okay, here we have comfort cushion for $19.99. You can use this in the car as she's using it in the house. So wherever you need a little more cushion, wherever you're sitting, even at work, that's a great find. Okay, here we have the heated neck and shoulder massager for $19.99, as well as the foot massager. So it's going to be heated neck, back, or foot massager, $19.99. This microfiber spa bath rug, it is $12.99. What's this? This is a very pretty purple. It's cream, that gray, really nice. And it is a 24 by 36. Here we have 2-pack hair towel or body wrap for $8.99. Oh, this is a good find. Great Christmas gifts as well. Here is the humidifier, warm mist humidifier for $24.99. Right here we have the facial steamer for $24.99. Here we have assorted mascaras for $3.99. Extend, lift, volume. Extend, lift, volume. So it's assorted. Here we have natural eyeshadow palettes for $5.99. Cute little package. Another little nice Christmas gift. Okay, here we have the therapy neck and shoulder wrap for $16.99. Really nice. Okay, this lounge wear lady spa robe is $14.99. It is in white, blue, green. Ooh, this is the one that I seen in the ad. Ooh, yes, beautiful. So they have this one and this one for $14.99. And they also have this in black, I think. In the ad, it was in black as well. So yes, this one's in black and rose, and the other ones are in white, blue, and black. Yes. Here we have ladies plush lounge set. It is a 2-piece for $16.99. It comes in size small through extra large. They have it in this brown, green, and this black pattern. Okay. Here we have ladies 2-pair slipper socks for $8.99. Here we have ladies sweatshirt dress for $14.99. I see it in green, gray, black, and this rose color. Oh, now this is what I was waiting on. The ladies dusters for $14.99. Oh yes, nice. Okay, it's in rose, gray, this multicolor, and let's see if there's any. I think those are the only colors that they have, but they are nice. Here we have loungewear ladies 2-piece fleece pajama set for $12.99. That one with the buttons and this one without the buttons. Okay, here we have the men's 2-piece set sleepwear set for $12.99. Here we have hooded throws, 30 by 50 for $9.99. And of course, these are the kids ones. All the different characters. Here we have travel blankets and travel neck pillows for $9.99. This is the blanket, and this is the pillow. I don't know why I thought it came together, but it is separate. $9.99 each. Okay, right here we have the New Year's Eve party pack for 10 people, and it is $9.99. This is the ice bucket wireless speaker, which is so cool, for $24.99. I see it in the, here are the colors right here. So that's pink, orange, purple, and red for $24.99. Now this was here on last week here, this sound bar with the built-in subwoofer for $49.99. Still a good deal. And here are the licensed game blankets for $24.99. Here's the Candyland. Cute, cute. Connect 4. Okay. Here we have by Pembroke the personal weekly monthly planners for $8.99. Okay. Oh, look at here. This premium 12-month wall calendar, it is $4.99. I want to take it out, but I don't want it to toss on my head. Oh my goodness, how cute. Here is the kids smart watch with earbuds for $22.99. Oh, what a great gift, guys. I love it. Okay, here is the multi-tool gift box for $12.99. Another nice gift for the Mr. or the Mrs. or Miss rather. Okay, oops. We have another one back there in the blue box. I'm not sure what the difference is. Oh yes, I see it. It is 9-in-1 right here, and that one in the blue is 12-in-1. Okay. Here we had these last week are the rechargeable hand warmers for $12.99. Okay. Right here is what do you mean? Game cards or card games for $17.99. Okay, let's get these. I like these. Netflix. All of these are party games, even Seinfeld. Okay, did we go over this one here? The classic party games for $12.99. Okay, they have them right here. These are the classic party games for $12.99. And right here are the card games, $17.99. Okay, right here we have the Power toothbrush with refills for $4.99. Right next to it is the kids ones for $4.49. Cute, cute, and it is electric. Okay, we have another one for the kids, electric toothbrush, $19.99. Okay, so we have options here. Love that. Here is the Winter Farmhouse 10 for $12.99. It is in black and in silver. Okay. Right here is the marble serving tray, which is really nice. It is a 9-inch tray. So they have this one, which is a little longer, and this one. This is 9-inch round, and this one is 10 by 7. Rectangular. Okay, here is the electric wine set for $19.99. Wonderful gift. Here is the vacuum food sealer for $29.99. Yes. Okay, here we have the vacuum food sealer rolls for $13.99, and they have them in different sizes. Well, they have them in medium and in large. Here are the dimensions. Okay, so down here are the magnetic board, dartboard for $19.99. Nice. Alrighty. Tableware assortment by Boulder is $2.19. So you get the plates or the napkins, and they have them in these two patterns, this white and the blue. Here is the assorted 4-pack dishware for $12.99. These nice wine glasses or the low ball glasses, and they also have the high ball glasses. Very good for $12.99. Okay, right here is the wine and whiskey decanters for $12.99. Nice. Amber decanter, and wine decanter, all for $12.99. And right here are the floor pillows for $19.99. It is in round and in square. So here is the square one. Oh, it's so cute. And there is the round one. And they are huge. Love those. I see it in this gold color and this cream. I think those might maybe the only two colors, but they are gorgeous. Yes. Okay, well, I think that's it for today. It was kind of short, but we still have a few nice finds today. So we're gonna do the walk back, and I'm gonna tell you what I love. I definitely love the floor pillows for $19.99. I love the gold. The gold is my favorite. The vacuum food sealer for $29.99. Love that. All the games, love those. Starting at $12.99 to $17.99. Oh, the kids' watch up there, the smartwatch for $22.99. Love, love. I think this ice bucket speaker, it is so cool for $24.99. Love that. And oh my, right here, the ladies' dusters for $14.99. Absolutely love those. The ladies' spa robe for $14.99 is everything. Love that. The foot massager for $19.99. Love that. That facial steamer for $24.99. Love that. And the memory foam knee pillow for $2.99. Absolutely love that, and I love the price even more. Yes, so that's it, guys. That is it for our new finds here at Aldi's. So guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. I appreciate you stopping by. Thanks to all of my supporters out there, and thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you, thank you. I really do appreciate it. So yeah, this is what we have here at Aldi today. It was kind of short, but we'll take it. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it. I'm sure I'm gonna do another one here today in the store, so look for the second video after this one. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.